Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned yams with marshmallows using an easy method. First, let's get organized. You'll need 2 large cans of yams, which should be completely drained. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, grab a 9 by 13-inch baking dish, as this will be perfect for our delicious creation. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's create our sweet syrup base. In a small saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of butter. Once melted, stir in 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of orange juice. For extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then take it off the heat. This rich syrup will perfectly complement our yams. With our syrup ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully arrange the drained yams in your 9 by 13-inch baking dish, spreading them out evenly. Next, pour the warm, sweet syrup mixture over all the yams, ensuring they are well coated. Place the dish in your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the yams are bubbly and heated through. This initial bake ensures the yams absorb all that wonderful flavor. For the grand finale, remove the hot yams from the oven. Now, generously top them with about 2 cups of mini marshmallows, spreading them evenly across the surface. Return the dish to the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes, but watch them very carefully. You want those marshmallows to be beautifully golden brown and puffed, not burnt. Serve this warm, delightful dish immediately and enjoy your easy candied yams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.